Hey everyone, I'm Emily Frame and welcome back to my OFTV channel. If you love LEGO and iconic cars, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into one of the most legendary builds, the LEGO Porsche 911. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Look at this. Every bag perfectly organized. The color pop right out of the box. Check out these teeny panels and sleek black pieces. So clean, so precise. This is going to be fun. And yes, even before we build, you can already feel the quality. LEGO really nailed the feel of a real sports car in miniature. These wheels alone are incredible. Rubber tires, detailed rims, and the chassis pieces. They just scream precision engineering. Look at this curvature of the body panels, the teeny details. This is a true collector's set. Alright, time to start building. First up, the chassis and wheels. We'll get the base ready to Porsche can finally take shape. Every piece clicks in place like a real puzzle. It's oddly satisfying. Stick with me because of the next episode will bring this car to life. We started with bags number 1 and number 2, building the complete rear seats and the base of the front seats. The interior is already taking shape. We haven't touched the wheels or tires yet. That will become later. And that's just the beginning. The chassis in the ready, and in the next episode we're diving in the engine and the heart of the car. Make sure you're subscribed to my OFTV channel and don't forget more LEGO action awaits on OnlyFans too. See you in the next one. Bye!